everyone. This is Jackie Davis.
And I'm Jennifer Urbach. We're presenting today a PowerPoint called Are You Ready to Teach Phonemic Awareness? The reason we're presenting this topic is because as teachers, we're relatively strong readers and we think in print. But our earliest readers need to start by thinking about words being divided into sounds or phonemes. It can be hard for teachers to make that switch from thinking in print to thinking in phonemes. We will present words and how they're represented by their sounds and how that might be different in how they're represented in print.
During this presentation, you will see colored boxes. These boxes are a visual representation of individual phonemes and words. We will also show letters to represent sounds. This is done by placing the phonemic representation of the sound within slanted lines. These sounds may not always be the actual letter. For instance, the sound k could be represented by the letters C, K, or the letters CK combined. We will then present the letters within the sound boxes below the phonemic representation.
So Jackie, how many sounds are in the word cat?
There are 3 sounds in the word cat. K, A, T. This is a relatively simple example because each sound in the word cat is represented by one letter. Jenny, how many sounds are there in the word wish?
There are 3 sounds in the word wish. U, I, sh. This word is a little trickier because it has 4 letters representing 3 sounds. That's because the SH is a consonant digraph where 2 letters make one totally new sound, sh. So how many sounds are there in the word cheese, Jackie?
There are 3 sounds in the word cheese. Ch, E, Z. In this example, we've now moved to a word that has 3 sounds represented by 6 letters. As you notice, there is another consonant digraph in this word shown in the letter CH. Ch. EE is a vowel digraph that represents the long E sound. In our last box, we see SE with the E shown a little smaller. The E has many jobs. In this case, we put it at the end of words that end in a single S. This is to avoid confusion between base words and plurals. It does not have a sound, so we did not put it in a separate box. Students do not need to know phonics rules when they're doing pure phonemic awareness tasks, but will be introduced to this in a systematic and explicit way when learning phonics. Jenny, how many sounds are in the word treat?
There are 4 sounds in the word treat. T, E, T. In this word, there are 4 sounds for 5 letters. Here, there is only one instance where one sound is represented by 2 letters, the vowel digraph EA. The letters T and R are often called a consonant blend. The difference between this and a consonant digraph is you hear each sound represented individually. How many sounds are in the word fox, Jackie?
There are 4 sounds in the word fox. F, K, S. 4 sounds, but only 3 letters. This one can be tricky because of the letter X. The letter X borrows 2 sounds, X. So we represent it going across 2 sound boxes. Intuitively, you knew this because you may have texted the word thanks as THX. How many sounds are in the word quit, Jenny?
There are 4 sounds in the word quit. K, I, T. 4 sounds and 4 letters. This one can be especially tricky for teachers because we teach QU as best friends that go together. QU is a borrower. It borrows 2 sounds. We hope this short presentation has given you an understanding of how phonemes are different from the visual representation of letters. Getting students to segment an oral word into its sounds correctly is the first step students need to master in order to be successful readers. This unit is fully focused on sounds. In the next unit, we'll talk about how to systematically teach sounds in relationship to print.